Hello everybody. This is our video lesson for Tuesday, which is the 12th of May. We only have 2 weeks left of online learning and then our school year is over. Wow. All right, so today we are going to jump in with reading. Make sure you guys are watching Miss Sun's phonics videos that she's making for you guys. But we are going to start with reading in our video today. All right, so last week we talked about how the characters in our book, The Ant and the Grasshopper, how they were alike, how they were different. So today we're gonna look and listen to a book, and both of these characters are doing the same thing, but they both have different experiences. So maybe if you and your friend were both swinging on the swings at recess, and maybe one of you really liked it, but maybe your friend didn't really like it that much. You two are doing the same thing, but you have different experiences. You're viewing it in a different way. One of you thinks it's fun, one of you doesn't think it's that fun. So the same thing, but different experiences. All right, so let's listen to our book and see if we can see some of that in here.
I'm Abby. I'm 12 years old.
I'm Kirby. I'm 2. That's 14 in dog years.
This morning, I got up very early.
This morning, I got up very early.
We get up early every Saturday because we like to take a long walk in the woods. I ate a quick breakfast and laced up my shoes.
Abby took forever getting ready this morning, even though I finished up the milk she left in her cereal bowl.
We love to explore the hills above the river. This time of year is my favorite. The leaves on the trees are lush and green, and all the flowers are beginning to bloom.
This time of year is my favorite. In the spring, small animals are everywhere. Sometimes I get to chase them. Even if I don't see them, I can learn a whole lot just smelling where they've been.
The place we walk is really beautiful, but this morning I found a whole bunch of trash that someone had thrown on the ground. That makes me so mad. I picked it up, but I had to fight Kirby for it.
Today was very exciting. When we got to the trail, I found all kinds of great stuff just lying around on the ground. Abby wouldn't let me have very much of it, but I got some.
I like to take my time when I walk. I stop and smell the flowers or look at the footprints that animals make in the mud. Even so, I still move a lot faster than Kirby.
You see, the forest is my territory, but a lot of other dogs visit. I'm okay with that, but I do need to remind them just whose territory they're in. It could take a lot of time, but it's worth it.
Sometimes I have to wait and wait and wait.
I'm great at digging. I'm better at digging holes than anyone else I know. I move through the dirt pretty fast, and when there's a tree root in my way, I tear it out with my teeth. Like I said, I'm a fast digger.
One bad thing about springtime is that when the snow melts, it can reveal some pretty gross things that have been hiding all winter. Kirby seems to find them all.
If I'm really lucky, I'll find something cool that's been hiding all winter under the snow. Sometimes it's something I can roll in to make myself smell wonderful. I don't know why, but Abby gets really mad when I do that.
We love to run down hills.
It makes us feel like we're flying.
My favorite spot on the river is a nice wide sandbar. I sit on a piece of driftwood while Kirby swims. I sit in the sun, feel the wind, and think about anything I want.
The best part of our walk is when I get to go swimming. Sometimes there are ducks and geese to chase. Abby mostly likes to sit and watch me. I'm not sure she knows how to swim.
When I'm ready, we head home.
When I'm ready, we head home. We'll go again tomorrow.
All right, the end. All right, so we had two characters in that book, Abby and Kirby. And Abby was the girl and Kirby was her dog. They both did the same things, but they both had different experiences. All right, so here is our worksheet for this. And I've already filled out some answers, but you guys are going to fill in these blanks. So let's see this first one. It says spring. What do they like about spring? So what does Abby like about spring? And if you need to see this again, you can go back and watch it, or you can look it up on YouTube, our Walk in the Woods. You can watch it there, or you can just rewind our video and watch it again. Let's see, so Abby thinks the green trees and blooming flowers, that's what she likes about spring. And what did Kirby like about spring? Kirby liked chasing the small animals. So they both experienced spring. They both were there in spring, but they both did two different things. They both liked very different things about spring. Let's look at this one. It says trash. How do they feel about the trash? Remember, there was trash on the ground. It says, for Abby, seeing it on the ground makes her mad. That's how she felt about the trash. How did Kirby feel about the trash on the ground? You're going to write how Kirby felt. Let's look at this one. Melting snow. How do they feel about the melting snow? Abby, she thinks the things hiding in it from winter are gross. You're going to tell me what Kirby thinks about the melting snow. How does he feel about it? And lastly, the sandbar. What do they like to do at the sandbar? Remember, that's that part of water where they went towards the end of our story. And you're going to tell me what Abby likes to do at the sandbar. But what did Kirby like to do? He likes to swim and chase the ducks and geese when they go to the sandbar. All right, so you're going to fill in these three blanks. If you need to rewatch our book, go back and rewatch it. All right, so let's do some addition problems just like we did last Thursday, but we're just going to do a little bit of review on them now. So I have my hundreds chart, and I'm going to come up with some addition problems, and we're going to add them, and we're also going to use our hundreds chart to figure them out. All right, so I'm going to start with the number 24. And I'm going to add 15 to that. So 24 plus 15. So first I'm going to add them together. And remember, we always start in the last column. We go top to bottom. 4 plus 5 more. You can use your hundreds chart for this if you need to. 4 plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 9. 2 plus 1 more. We know that's 3. So I got 39. All right, so now I'm going to try this with my hundreds chart. So I'm starting at 24. So here is 24. And it says I have one group of tens. So I need to go down one space. I'm adding one group of tens. So now I'm at 34. But I need to add my ones now. And it says I have 5 ones. So now I need to go to the right 5 spaces. We started at 24. We went down 1 for one group of tens. Now we need to go to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are at 39. So we got the exact same answer that we did when we added it. All right, let's try another one. All right, this time I'm adding 46 and 33. So 46 and 33. So let's see, 6 plus 3 more. If you need to use your hundreds chart for this, you can. 6 plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. That's 9. 4 plus 3 more. That's 7. We got 79. All right, now let's use our hundreds chart to do this. Start at 46. There we go, 46. We need to add 3 groups of 10. That means we need to go down 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now we're at 76. So we added our 10s. Now we need to add our 1s. And we have 3 1s. We need to go to the right 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. We are at 79, and that is the same answer we got when we added them. All right, let's try a couple more. All right, 52 plus 44. 2 plus 4. That's 6. 5 plus 4 is 9, and you can use the hundreds chart if you need to. All right, so now let's use the chart to add these numbers. Start at 52. We need to add our 10s, and it says we have 4 10s, so we're going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says we have 4 1s, so we need to go to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 96 is the same answer we got when we added. All right, let's try one last one. All right, so this one's a little bigger. 22 plus 63. All right, 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 6, if you need to use your hundreds chart for this, pause our video and use the hundreds chart. 2 plus 6 is 8. 85. Now let's use the chart to do it. Start at 22. Here's 22. We need to go down 6 spaces for 6 groups of 10. 22, go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're at 82. We need to go to the right 3 spaces because there are 3 1s. 63 tells us 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. 85 is our same answer we got when we added. All right, I will see you guys on our next video. If you need to go back and watch the book to fill out our worksheet, go back and watch it. All right, see you guys next time.